Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to hide the address URL bar on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download Firefox from it, because you will not have it as the default. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the search box, and we have it in the top side of the screen also. We have the add shortcuts. You can add a tab by clicking here. And in the top right corner, we have the 3 horizontal lines where you can check out a lot of different settings. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and hide the address URL or bar on Firefox. So hiding the address or URL bar in Firefox isn't a straightforward option through the standard settings. However, you can achieve this by modifying the user_chrome.css file. And here's how to do it. So access the user_chrome.css file. You need to create or edit the user_chrome.css file in your Firefox folder. You can find it file in the in your of course C users, then your name, app data, roaming, Mozilla Firefox, profiles of profile folder, Chrome user chrome.css on Windows, or a library application support, Firefox, profiles, profile folder, Chrome user chrome.css on Mac OS. Edit the file then. Open it now and file in the text editor and do the following. So you just need to go and then put the following code that I'll be now showing you to be able to, of course, go and just a second. You need to go and put in this to be able to do it. Then restart Firefox to apply the changes. This will hide the address bar, but be aware that modifying user chrome.css is not officially supported by Firefox and could potentially cause issues or be reset in future updates. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.